always tracking so we can warn you first. This is your Storm Team 27 forecast.
Now we are expecting some spring rain today, but not that much. At the most, maybe a quarter of an inch. But this is Severe Weather Awareness Week. And if you get into an area where there is a lot of rain, remember this, that 6 inches of rapidly moving water is enough to knock you down. So turn around, don't drown in that case. And don't forget this Wednesday, 9:50 in the morning, we're going to have the tornado drill. This is going on throughout Ohio where you hear those sirens going off. So the weather should be fine. We're not expecting a tornado, but just be aware of that. And on the first day of spring over the last 3 years, it has been windy. We had light snow 3 years ago, but it got up to 48 2 years ago, so it's closer to what we're having today. And even last year, cloudy. At least the temperature was in the 40s. Will be in the 40s here, already 41 degrees, warmer than last year, but we do have the clouds around, and as I said earlier, we have seen some sunshine, but you can see we're stuck with the clouds, and the clouds are from the rain that's going to be moving from the west, and here we go with Future Tracker to show you. Doesn't look like any rain yet around First News at 6, but as we head into 7 o'clock, a little light rain. By 9 o'clock, we're getting more rain scattered through the area. By First News at 11, still raining, and Paul Wetzel will be talking about some rain during the overnight, possibly into First News this morning around 5 o'clock, and then should be gone, so that by the afternoon, we're looking at a break in the clouds there during First News at noon, and finally some sunshine in the afternoon with a high again around 49. So this afternoon, we started off partly sunny, mostly cloudy afternoon, high of 49 degrees. Then for tonight, mostly cloudy, rain around there, and temperature drops to 38 degrees at midnight. Tomorrow morning, during First News this morning, I'll wake you up to about 33 degrees, and eventually, I could call it partly sunny tomorrow afternoon with a high of 49 degrees, but it gets colder for one day this week. 33 on Wednesday, partly sunny skies, might be a few snowflakes in the morning there. Thursday, dry day, 46 degrees, and then Friday it warms up. However, we get the rain on Friday. The rain tapers back on Saturday and Sunday. Warmest day of the week, 61 on Saturday, 50 on Sunday, hanging on to the 50s next Monday.